Are you sick and tired of having bad credit and dealing with all the problems that come with a low credit score? Denied credit applications, endless collection calls and letters, late fees, penalties, and interest charges piling up. Well, now you can get rid of your bad credit and low credit score nightmares once and for all. How would you like to raise your credit score up to 200 points in just 99 days or less? You are just seconds away from learning all the secrets that will allow you to quickly and easily get rid of the negative accounts on your credit report and instantly replace them with several new good credit accounts. This proven system is fast and easy and 100% legal, and it will raise your credit score faster than you ever thought possible. This system is so simple, a 10-year-old could follow the easy steps to credit success. The system in this do-it-yourself credit repair manual has worked for hundreds of others, and it will work for you too. Now's the time to get on the road to a great credit score. Simply enter your name and email below, and you will soon be on your way to raising your credit score up to 200 points in just 99 days or less. Go ahead, just fill out the form.